You need to watch this if you struggle with sneezing fits. Think sneezing is just about dust or allergies? Let's bust some myths and dig into the quirky science behind every sneeze. Sneezing isn't just a random nose explosion, it's your body's super smart defense system. When tiny irritants like dust, pollen, or even strong smells invade your nose, sensors signal your brain to kickstart a reflex. Your chest muscles, diaphragm, and throat all team up for a high-speed air blast, sometimes up to 100 miles per hour. But here's a myth. Holding in a sneeze? Bad idea. You can actually risk hurting your ears or blood vessels. And no, your heart doesn't stop when you sneeze. It just skips a beat from excitement. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out. It's your body's way of keeping you healthy, and honestly, who doesn't love a good, satisfying sneeze?